Okay, hello everyone. Thank you for subscribing to my video, some of you. I'm going to show you a very basic survival bit of information now. This is how you can install updates on Ubuntu once you've got it all up and running and how you want it. You'll notice up here is a arrow, or on the newer version it's like a big explosion thing. Anyway, basically you just click on that and you've got four options. You can start the package manager, check for all updates, install all updates, or show updates. So I'm going to show you the updates so you can see what happens. So this is the update manager. It's just reading the state information now. Depending on your connection speed, this can take a matter of seconds, minutes, sometimes hours. In my case, it's going to take a few seconds. So as you can see here, we've got all the updates. You can choose which updates you want. So if you don't want certain things to be updated, you can just uncheck them, like so. You see we've got important security updates, so these are things that have been patched for security issues. Recommended updates, probably functionality problems or anything like that. Just go ahead and click that now, and it will ask me for my password. Make sure that I'm the administrator and I'm not some goon. It'll take a minute to think. And here we go. We're updating the downloading the updates now, and then we're installing them. And depending on your computer speed and connection speed as well, this can take little to no time at all to do, and you won't even need to restart on most occasions. In this case I don't think we will, because I didn't see any kernel updates in there, so on those occasions you normally don't need to restart the computer and you can continue on with your work. So continue on googling things. Let's go to the Ubuntu forum, see what they're up to. Still going on. This is also the hub of information, I like to say. Call this. If you can come here, sign up, and basically this is the Ubuntu community, which is very big. I must admit, quite a lot of people on here. So yeah, you'll find quite a lot of answers on this forum. You can search them on Google if you can't be asked to find them in here. So always look for Google for answers as well. And there we go. System is up to date, and that is it. So that's how you install updates, people.